Okay, this is my poster for hotspots biodiversity. Alright, genuine forests of West Africa. This type of ecosystem is a forest. It holds lots more life than other ecosystems because it is more habitable. Like the title says, the Guinean forests are located in West Africa. The entire forest stretches 680,000 square kilometers, or 262,549 square miles. 3 reasons to protect the biodiversity. First, the people put lots of funding into this forest to preserve and grow it. The funding helps plant more trees and give the animals safe protection. Second, the forests hold a lot of endangered species and plants. A lot of the funding goes towards preserving the endangered animals. They research the reasons for the animals' endangerment and make sure they are safe. Third, the forest is a big help in the fight for global warming. Since there are so many trees, they can collect a whole bunch of carbon dioxide, or not dioxide, just carbon, whatever, and help basically get rid of it. Three threats to the ecosystem. First, agriculture, and the spread of humans is dangerous to the ecosystem because we chop down the forest, and when we chop down the forest, it kills animals and species. Second, hunting/poaching can rapidly reduce the amount of life in an ecosystem. When people kill the animals, they are not able to reproduce as much, therefore endangering them. Third, extracting gas and oil from the earth is a dangerous process. This increases the amount of pollution drastically, leading to the destruction of habitats and ecosystems, and killing the animals along with it. Rare and endangered species. Jenkins duiker. Extremely rare. It is one of the 2 rarest antelopes in the world. This antelope's niche is kind of boring because the best thing it can do is adapt. I mean, it's kind of useful, but for example, they will sleep just about anywhere, and they are good at getting their own food, primarily from trees. But if we protect these antelope from the predators, we can save and preserve them. Rare and endangered species part 2. Liberian mongoose. It is vulnerable and rare. This animal is rare and vulnerable because they have little ways to protect themselves. They also have a lot of predators. When we captivate them, if we captivate them, we can protect them from the predators. We can also breed them. Their niche is that they are good at hiding, creating paths for other small animals. Rare and endangered species part 3. Pygmy hippopotamus. Endangered. Their niche is to create trails in the deep forest. They are rare due to hunting, loss of habitat, and fragmentation. Habitat preservation is a good way to protect the hippo because you can also captively breed them so the population grows. Conservation actions. Funding is put towards growing and preserving the forest. There are rules about what you can bring in and out of the forest so that the animals do not get hurt. Some of the rarest and most endangered endangered animals are in the forest, so they are very serious about it. Most of the animals here are endangered because of humans and agriculture. Alright, that is my presentation. So I can get what's it called? Bar graph or graph of anything because there's not that much information on this. And I looked for a couple hours and I couldn't find anything that would let me create a graph basically. So